So now let's see how we can work around with sparkle effect inside of GIMP. So to work around with sparkle effect, you need to go around under filters, and then you need to go around under light and shadows. And over here you can see that sparkle is in effect right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that this is the sparkle effect right here. And sparkle effect is a heavy effect, so it does take a bit of time for the preview to show out. You can see that I can go around and change around the luminosity right here, and then it changes out the brightness level right here, just like this. So it does take a bit of time to load, as you can see right here. You can change around the flare intensity around over here as well, just like this, around over here, and you can see that this is how it actually looks. So you can see that it is loading, and you can see the preview right here, just like this. So you gotta wait right here. So that is the drawback of this. So you can go around and change around the location right here, and it'll preview out that particular location right there, just like that as well. So let's just go around over here, down just like this, and then around over here, and wait, and then it'll go around and preview that particular section right here. You can go around and change around the spike length around over here, just like this as well. And as you change around the spike length, you can see that that is what you have. So you can see that it changes around, and it changes around the length right here. You can also change around the spike points right here, just like this as well. So once you go around over there, what happens is that the points get changed as well. So as you go around and change it, you can see that that is what you have. And it does take time to actually load, as you can see. So similarly, you can change around the spike angle as well, and density and transparency and so forth right here. If you want to go ahead and change around the color, then you can go around and change around the hue as well. But you have to let it stop, let's say, loading right here. So you can see that you can go around, change around the hue right here, and wait. And what happens is that you get a bit of a different color right there. So you can see that it is loading again right here, just like this. So you got to wait around. It's not freezing, it's just processing right there, and as it does, you can see that the hue changes out right here. Let me just go around, back around over here, just like this, and then it simply reverts back. So you can see that it is loading right there, just like this. And apart from that, you can also go around and then work around with saturation. So you can go around, change around the saturation right here, so that you can add more colors to the spark over here, just like this as well. So now you can see that it is actually loading. It does some of the effects takes much more time to load than others right there, and that is what you have. You can also go around and preserve the luminosity right here, just like this as well. So you can see that it is loading right there. Again, you can enable and disable it. So let's just wait right here, just like this, and you can see that it is taking a bit of time to actually go around and process it. And you can see that you can preserve the luminosity or not right here, just like this. You can also go around and go for an inverse effect right over here as well. So you can see that it is loading again right here, just like this, and it's not responding. It is quite normal for this to happen right here. So now it is a heavy effect, so you can see that you can make it darker as well, just like this as well. And then let me just disable that out as well and wait. So once you go around and do that, that is what you have. So you can see that you have to wait around a bit right here. So let's just wait just like this. And then that is what you have. You can also go around and add in border if you want right here. But let me just go around and keep it as it is. So now I'm just going to go around and wait right here just like this, and then I'll let it load right here. So let's just go around and preserve the luminosity right here, just like this, and then this is what you have. So it's still loading right here, just like this. So it's not responding, meaning it is loading right there. It is processing out the effect, just like that. So you need to go around and wait. So let's just go around and wait, and then that is what you have right here. So you can see that it is still loading. It is still loading. So let's just go around and wait itself. It's normal to wait right here. So let's just wait and see the preview right there. And if we like it, we can utilize it. Otherwise, we can just turn it off right there. So you can see that it is still processing. So it does take time because it takes individual pixels up and then it processes out right here. So let's say I want this effect. So once you want to apply it, you can simply press OK, and then you got to wait. And over here you can see that sparkling effect does take a bit of time to apply. So you need to wait for a while. So I'm just going to go around and then skip to the part where it has completed the processing right here. And now after it is complete, you can see that the effect has been applied, and that is how you can utilize the sparkle effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.